Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Donna de los Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replace the thermostat, steam thermoblock, you can see right here, the water pump, and the two-way solenoid. This one right here. As you can see, this one was leaking and it needed to be replaced. And yeah, that's all we did to replace the machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out. And then we'll test all the functions at once in this machine. As you can see, the machine is siphoning the milk properly, the way it should be. Nice steady foam, the machine. Good consistency. I think I should have got a bigger cup. Alright, coffee coming out of the machine. Hopefully it doesn't overfill, which is probably going to spill. Should have gotten a bigger cup. As you can see, excellent color coming out of the machine, really good foam. Now we're gonna test the steam of this side. Alright, starting with the steam. Have to replace the carafe for the water spout. As you can see, steaming properly, excellent temperature, and excellent pressure coming out of the machine. Powerful heat. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna de los S is working once again. So thank you so much for appearing in Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.